I love this spot. Somebody else is coming down. Dang it. Grr. Somebody else is coming down. Normally it's peaceful and quiet and there's never anybody here. Not today though. Train tracks up there too. Okay. I don't think I've ever done a video here. Oh, they got their dog in the water. Just letting them out keep. One thing I like is this. I like these. And why? I think it's from the water when it gets high. It's all up in the trees. You can see a lot of the no trespassing signs from the trains right there. I really want to walk down there farther. So I'm kind of curious what that barrel is down there. But one of these days I'm going on that side over there. I've yet to do it though. Oh, there's little shells. Little shells. Oh, there's some really tiny shells. Where'd he go? Right there he is. It's just super peaceful and quiet here. I love it. Just chilling here and watching the water. This is honestly one of my favorite things to do. Just look at the water, it's so cool to watch it. Okay. I was hoping that other train would come, but I don't think it's going to. A lot of times I stand down here and get the train as it's coming across the bridge. I thought there might be some mushrooms down here, but there's not. The railroad came and cleaned out a bunch of the brush, or somebody did up there. So you can't go up that hill anymore like you used to be able to do. It's muddy. Dang. Well, I'm not gonna go back that way. There's a lot of mosquitoes down here too. See, the train is gonna come. Dang it. I'm pretty sure the train is gonna come, but he's just really slow. I decided to wait for the train, and here he comes. He's gonna be coming from the right, going to the left through town. good graffiti, but I can't get it from here. Dang it. Because he's on the far track. Alright. Time to finish my walk.